Recently, Instagram has added a new feature on its platform, which is called the Instagram Notes. Everybody is adding it nowadays. If you also want to add, then make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm exactly going to show you how to share notes on Instagram. This is going to be a quick and easy video, so let's get straight into it. From the home screen of your Instagram app, tap on the message icon on the top right. Now on the message section, you should be able to see an option called leave a note. If your friends on your Instagram have added their notes, you should be able to see it right here. Now to add in yours, you can tap on this plus icon right here, and then simply type in anything that you want to add to your Instagram notes. You can only type up to 60 letters, so keep that in mind. And after you typed in your note, you can share it on two ways. You can either share it to followers that follow you back, or if you have a close friends list, you can share it to them. Tap on the option that you want and then tap on share on the top right. And now as soon as you do that, you can see your note has been added and other people would be able to see it depending upon where you shared it. Now if you want to remove a particular note, you can tap on the note again and a menu will open up. Now you can tap on delete note, and as easy as that, your note also will be deleted. So if you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.